In this video, I'll show you how to set up a complete 2N solution for a villa or a single-family home in just a few minutes using the My2N Management platform. Here is our setup. An IP Verso 2.0 at the gate, an access unit at the front door, and an indoor view inside. All devices are connected to the internet and ready to go. First, we'll create an account, a company, and a site for our single-family home. Then, we'll add our devices to the My2N cloud. Simply enter the serial numbers along with the security codes. We recommend checking the Remember Security Code box. This ensures that if a device accidentally disconnects, the saved code allows it to automatically reconnect to the service. At this stage, don't assign the intercom to any apartments yet. You can choose how your device is configured and connected. We recommend automatic configuration and a cloud connection. When adding the indoor station, you can create an apartment and assign the answering unit to it. After adding all 2N devices, let's add a smartphone. Go to Devices, click Add Device, and select Smartphone or Tablet. We will then assign it to an existing user and apartment. If you skip the checkbox to enable mobile calling when creating the apartment, don't forget to activate the paid services. You can toggle this later under the Apartments tab. Once the QR code is generated in My2N and sent to the user's email, you can scan it with the My2N app to log in. However, we recommend logging in with your My2N account credentials. Your phone is now part of the system. You can add up to 4 mobile devices per apartment. Note that with every new intercom and indoor station, we offer free mobile calling for up to 4 devices. You can find more information via the link below this video. Next, let's configure the call settings on the intercom. Navigate to Devices, IP Verso, and select Call Destination. You can set individual devices or entire apartments as call destinations. I'll select the apartment we created earlier, which includes both an indoor view and a mobile phone. The calling communication is now set. In the next video, I'll show you how to manage access via My2N.